Well, the Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral Awal Gambo, says that the military is committed to restoring peace in Anambra State. He made this known during an operational visit to the state. A correspondent there has details.
It is his maiden visit to the naval outpost on Onitsha. Sadly, his first visit is to mourn the loss of 4 of his men in 2 separate attacks in this commercial city. After meeting with officers and ratings, the chief of the naval staff proceeded to the government lodge to meet minds with the state governor. Shortly after the brief meeting, both men emerged to speak to newsmen on the security situation in the state, especially the recent attacks.
I'm extremely delighted. We had a very good discussion long before now. When we had the incident we had here that led to loss of lives, he quickly reacted promptly by sending a special crack team, and those guys are doing a great work.
Wouldn't have been here this moment, but for expediency, due to the incident we had, 2 separate incidents last week, which led to the loss of some of our men and 2 platoon weapons. I have to be here to reassure our staff at the naval outpost to redouble their efforts and to be more alert based on the potent threats we are observing now from the Eastern Security Network, which is the security arm of the IPOB. We are working in conjunction with the other armed of services as well as security agencies to make sure that we bring lasting peace to this state, which has been peaceful for quite a long time now.
The naval outpost has been in existence since 2010. This visit by the chief of the naval staff has definitely boosted the morale of personnel here to go after crime and criminality. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Onitsha.
Meanwhile, the Nigerian Army School of Finance and Administration has called for stronger partnership with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. This, they say, will help turn out highly skilled professionals in finance and administration for the Nigerian Army and other sister agencies in the country. We must warn, however, that this story contains scenes of flash photography and viewer discretion is advised. Senior correspondent Ivy Kanu has details.
The president of ICAN arrived in the Nigerian Army School of Finance and Administration with her team. This is her first visit to the institution. The commandant in his address asked for closer collaboration between the 2 organizations.
The visit not only boosts the morale of students and staff of this institution, but also promote their interest in the profession of accounting. This symbolic gesture has not only provided a veritable platform that brings both organizations and institutions closer, but also opens up new opportunities of interaction and collaboration.
Keeping accurate records is as important as keeping Nigeria secured, and the ICAN president said though she's aware of the busy schedule of the Army, education should also be made a priority.
I am glad to inform you, sir, that we have men of the armed forces who have either served or currently serving as past president of ICAN, council or committee members of our institute.
The visit also afforded the students an opportunity to ask questions on areas bothering them.
Going up for preparation of becoming a certified chartered accountant is a challenge to us. I request you use your good office, establish a study center for us here.
Training for lecturers, both from polytechnic and university level, most especially on that of installation and maintenance of sewage basket package. All after that, there is no continuation of that program.
When students register as ICAN member, the institute does not issue study material immediately after the registration.
The president specifically addressed the request for a study center to be situated in the institution.
They give us the building, provide the ambience, the environment, and then we will bring the lecturers and they show the students. We will now be able to train them and prepare them for the examination.
The Nigerian Army School of Finance and Administration (NASFA) was established in 1968 with the sole aim of training and retraining the Nigerian Army personnel on financial and administrative matters. It has also extended that training to include other members of the armed forces and some other paramilitary organizations. Ivy Kano, TVC News, Lagos.